Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Siacoin, the currently price of the Siacoin, the price change occur in the Siacoin, and in this video I'm talking about the very urgent update of Siacoin. That is why keep watch this video till the end friends before starting this interesting video. If you are new to my channel, so please I request all of you this time, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much. I know you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel friends. Friends, if you look the price of the Siacoin at this time, so the price of the Siacoin at this time as 0.0355727 USD is the currently price of the Siacoin. And on the other hand, if you look the price it's occur in the Siacoin, so the last 1 hour price change as positive, except after last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur as and the Siacoin as negative friends. As you can see here on the screen, the last 1 day and the last 1 week change as absolutely going negative friends. Let's see the price chart for more details and for the better understanding. But friends, I know that at this time the previous time of the Siacoin as in negative friends, but if you look the currently condition, the currently situation of the Siacoin in the cryptocurrencies market, so at this time the cryptocurrencies market is going better. As you can see the Siacoin, as I show you in the start of this video, that the Siacoin, the last 1 hour price change as positive friends. That's the price change is positive. That's mean that the Siacoin take a jump in the last 1 hour. That is why the price change is positive friends. Anyways, if you look the price chart after last 1 day, I mean the 24 hours, so as you can see here the price change is negative, but soon as you can see here at this time the price change, the Siacoin in the last 1 hour, they start jumping. So I hope that soon this price change has become positive friends. Anyways, the last 24-hour pricing as negative 9.61%, and the highest price of the Siacoin as 0.039524 USD is the highest price of the Siacoin in the last 1 day friends. On the other hand, if we look the price chart of the Siacoin, so as you can see here, over and over fast occur in the Siacoin, and that is the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump, and the Siacoin already falls down, the price is already very badly going down, so now it's time to take a jump. Now it's time to wake up in the market Siacoin. So I hope my prediction about the Siacoin is very positive. I'm very excited for the jump of the Siacoin. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, again I'm telling you that please subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.